Yun o, Sir Batman.
Master! Master, good morning. Good morning, Master. Good morning.
Wala pa Sir Ian. Sir Noel. Bigyan pala tayong sticker ni Sir Batman. Kano po dito?
20.
20?
20.
Huh?
Dito po, sale na.
Sige, dalawa. Dalawa po.
Mura. Then you can feel kung meron air. Walang chest rise. Kung i-use sa device,
All items na yan, sir.
okay, kung wala,
Pag ganito Sir,
Mag-relax pa yan, sir.
bali magkano lang siya? 2,000, ano siya?
Relax natin, sir.
2,295.
606.
1,600 na lang.
Debit ka.
Magkano yung ganito Sir? 5,006. May less pa to Sir. Ganda pala ng panahon ngayon mga ka-gravel oh. Puntahan nyo.
alright.
Ano,
Sige, so,
hindi mainit.
anyway, we have round 2
Ako
dito
limlim
mamaya
lang
with
siya.
some other questions. But thank you for asking
Maganda
that, no?
pumunta rito pag ganito yung panahon.
What's another?
Yun, so mga ka-gravel, good morning. For today's video, nandito tayo sa CCP Open Grounds. Dito ginanap yung Philippine Bicycle Demo 2024. Bali, as you can see, daming siklista dito, daming dumalo ngayon. So day 1 pala ng ano natin, ng Philippine Bicycle Demo 2024. So today is November 30. Yan. So ikutin natin to. Let's find out kung ano yung mga budol deals natin dito, budol finds natin dito. Balita ko nakaano sila 70% off eh. Tara. Libutin natin to. Thank you.
Pa-picture muna po bago magpa-park sir.
Puno yung bike parking ngayon ah. Ah. Thank you. Daming dumalo ngayon mga ka-gravel oh. Puno yung parking nila oh.
Marunong ka ba mag-CPR? There we go.
Very nice. Ganda ng venue nila ngayon ah, malawak. Well, last May nung last Philippine Bicycle Demo and Expo 2024 na ginanap sa UP. Malawak din naman. Pero I think mas malawak to. Ay. So dito pala yung registration fee. Registration booth. So nagpa-register na ako online. Ang binayaran ko is 75 pesos. Pag on-site, alam ko 150 pesos eh. So ang gagawin natin, mag-represent na lang natin yung payment natin. Tapos government ID. Sir, nag-online registration po. Ano pong
ID po.
ID.
Entry only, paki-stop na lang. Thank you.
Thank you. Yun. Yun, let's go. Ikutin na natin tong CCP Open Grounds. For today's video, nandito tayo sa Philippine Bicycle Demo and Expo 2024 December. Meron kasi silang dalawa eh. Merong summer and summer na ginaganap tuwing May. Then pag December ay pag bare months, November.
Mag-ibig na
bike pass po, guys. Because,
This guide
registration.
so many costumes. It's amazing that you collect hundreds, if not, how many costumes do you have? Di mo na mabilang. And all of them are authentic, no, in most cases.
So dito, pagka-entrance mo is nakikita mo tong ano to,
Playing airsoft before, that's how you started collecting uniforms.
Cycle Art Arta.
Grabe ng dami, di ba? Why
Ano? Ayan sila mga clicks dito. Magkano kaya ito? Walang price.
So again, palakpakan po natin.
Oh, mga bar tape. 800 na lang. Saddle. Seat post.
So Sir Victor, anong costume ang isusuot mo given the chance?
Mga Shimano brand. Mga cassette, mga shifter.
What costume would you wear? It has to be outrageous. While you're riding a bike, sinong anime? Oh, yun.
Buti natin pag ganun. Ay, ito, KTM bikes, oh. From 29 to 15,000 na lang. 900.
Kailangan na rin horizontal drop out. Thank you.
Mura.
Our good friend.
50% off. Dito sa KTM bikes.
Project manager, is a technologist, is an instructor, for live direct here. He's a
Ito, ano to? Scott.
Mr. Ruel Capuna.
Uy, 100 lang, oh.
Thank you, everyone.
Lahat na to, sir? 300 or ito lang? Lahat po yan. Lahat.
Ito, cycling jersey, oh. 1,000 lang. Cube jersey. Ah, so pang itaas lang siya. Laglag.
MTP pa din guys. Kasabay lang. Baka naman magpakapil ka pa niya, Ben. Saka yung mga
So dito yung mga ano, food booth dito sa kabilang room.
Ano na?
bukas ko isa. Hindi ko alam eh. Kaya tanong ko may metal yung nakasulat DSM.
Ha?
So by the way, also we do
Yan, so kung nagutom kayo kakaikot, meron mga kainan dito. Ganda.
Marami na kami cases. Okay? So,
Antipolo lifestyle.
ano yung mga survival needs?
Check natin.
Kailangan bumili sa akin. Survival needs yan, mag-try. Okay na tayo, mag-try survival needs. Water. What else?
How much po sa mga items, ma'am?
Buy one, take one.
Buy one, take one.
For safety. That's good. Pero for our own...
Yung mga ganito, ma'am, magkano po?
One, buy one, take one dito.
500 po?
550 po.
Okay, good food, no? Kasi nutrients. Okay, what
Dami,
we do
oh.
here
Maganda.
is crucial to our survival.
Dry fit. Dito yan sa Antipolo lifestyle.
So we need a constant supply of oxygen. Yan. So I'd like to focus on why a steady supply of oxygen is important. Kasi a lot of medical emergencies, ito rin talaga yung nagiging issue.
Eh, mga e-bike po.
Okay? A
Vice.
person who is not breathing, of course, cannot inhale oxygen. If the heart has stopped, it cannot pump. So nawawala yung oxygen supply ng cells natin. Okay? So let's focus on oxygen. So if we understand why this is important, then hopefully we can convince you have to perform CPR while waiting for help. Do not wait. Do not go to the hospital without
Ito,
doing
mga electric
anything.
cars, oh.
Kasi time is ticking. Okay?
Evo
Next slide.
Nakikita ko
Terra.
sa movies, parang madali lang yung CPR, pero may proseso pala yan na tamang pag-CPR.
It's actually simple, no? Pero the most difficult part of it is doing it. Like ako,
Ito yung mga
unfortunately,
Colnago
we have
bikes,
to do
oh.
it on some relatives,
Malapit
no?
dito sa
Kasi hindi
center
kami, kapitbahay namin, relative. So I think that's the most difficult part. If there's an emotional attachment dun sa... Pero I think it's better that yung alam mo na you did something, di ba? Even if hindi mag-survive. So unfortunate as it is, pero at least kahit pa paano alam mo na you did the right thing, no?
Opo.
And sa akin, masasabi ko na outright waiting is not good. Waiting for the ambulance.
Para malaman natin kung kailan natin isi-CPR. Kasi minsan natataranta ka, hindi mo alam kung CPR ka na ba siya ngayon, or paano kung malalaman.
Okay, so that's what we want to actually emphasize today, no? So oxygen delivery, let's magbibigay kami ng prize.
Oh, may prizes?
Yes.
Sige, anong mga prizes natin para sa mga...
My partner is Milton, meron siya mga multi-tool.
May multi-tools.
Next round, ha? So how does
First name and last name na.
oxygen carrying the oxygen bago pa mapasok sa blood? It has to enter our lung. Si Ma'am, Mildred. Nose and mouth.
Wow.
So we call it airway. Okay? We call it airway. So nose and mouth.
May airways
Ay, mga
tayo.
prices dito.
So kung
pag
sarado
nasagot mo
yung
yung tanong.
example, a rider falls. Tama? Face first. Face first, no? And then, he's alive. He or she's alive. So humiga sila, but the mouth is full of blood. Tama? Sometimes it can happen. So what is going to happen to the
E-bikes.
pathway of oxygen? Wala, di ba? Hindi makakapasok.
Ah, buteke.
So we have to open it, we have to drain it, no? Kasi tendency is, teka, call the ambulance, call the LGU, mali yan. But that person
Holding bike.
is not able to inhale or bring in the oxygen kasi sarado. Okay? So opening the airway is the first thing that's important.
Ito yung Shimano.
You cannot perform that kasi liquid eh, di ba? Blood. Kung ipin, siguro kung nakikita mo, you can, no? But if it's blood, paano?
Paano nga yun?
So later I'll demo, but the principle is we can turn them on their side so that
Rather than sa neck, sa shoulder pala yung
the
nakahawakan.
neck will rest on your para kahit pa paano straight pa rin. Just so if there's a neck injury, Kasi even if you protect the neck, the air, kung walang daluyan ng oxygen, is not good. Okay? So we have to consider
Maxi style.
where is, or can the air come in. Okay? So pumasok na sa lungs. Sige, Miss Pam, what happens when
20%
the
off sila
air is
rito.
down inside
Mga Shimano
our lungs?
cycling glasses.
Now convert. What else? What happens?
Expand yung lungs natin.
Okay, when we expand our lung, the oxygen in the air, sumasakay na siya ngayon kay blood. So, somebody said blood kanina, no? Blood is the vehicle. Parang yan yung bisikleta niya. To go around the body. So, nakikita nyo na, somebody who is not breathing, paano sumasakay yung blood sa oxygen? Wala. Stop. Kasi stop yung, kumbaga, hindi siya makasakay sa bisikleta eh. Right?
Neo Sigma.
So yung
mga
the
items
nose
nila
and
rito.
mouth, yun yung gate para makapasok siya. Okay?
11 na sir.
Yun yung proseso na sumasakay.
Yan natin yung mga chain.
Paano iikot? Paano siya pumapadyak around the body? Puso! Di ba?
284.
Yes,
2,840.
pinapump yung blood natin para
Ano to?
umikot yung blood around
Para
your
umikot.
body.
12 speed. MTB chain.
So this is the critical life functions. No? Sige, next slide.
Ayan, marami
Any
pang
major
items dito sa
disruption
Neo Sigma. Ayan, punta lang
can
kayo.
lead to a medical emergency. So nandito na tayo. Ang daming medical emergencies,
Ito mga clips.
even in sports. No? Kasi meron dyan undiagnosed, heart problem, or what else can cause a
20%
medical
off rate.
emergency? The same biking. Yung mga long distance yun. What else?
Dehydration.
Dehydration. Heat stroke.
Ito XC7. Ay, RC7.
Cardiac arrest is basically yung dulo.
Tapos yung mga attack,
Heart attack.
at yung ahol, yun yung palagi nangyayari sa mga riders.
Yeah. And also loss of electrolytes. Kaya when we train, sometimes hindi masyado water. Right? More of an electrolyte. Kasi when we sweat, di ka naman tubig, right? So you have to be very conscious of that, no?
Tama.
Diba? Dehydration is a major concern. Especially mainit
Ito,
sa atin.
Spider Philippines.
Okay, and then
Boot.
very strenuous. No? So, we want to make sure na
Daming helmets.
equip tayo just like you having your helmets. Equip tayo with the right medical knowledge. Okay, you mentioned heart attack pala kanina.
Yes.
Is it the same? O, another price dito. Is heart attack and cardiac arrest the same?
Oh, good question yan. Pati
Raise
ako
your hand.
nakapaisip doon.
Is cardiac...
Ayan.
Yes, ma'am.
May malaki
No.
palang crankset dito ng Dura Ace, oh. Laki.
Nag-stop ng pumping. Because of what? What kind of problem?
Like kung yung page natin for more
Eventually, yun yung result. Because it's not pumping properly, hindi niya mapadyak yung dugo na may oxygen.
Pinagkaiba ng cardiac arrest.
Any other
Ito ng
answer?
gravel bike mo to, oh.
Pero tama ka doon.
Ano to?
Magkaiba ang
Argon?
heart attack at cardiac arrest.
Argon 18.
Yes. Heart attack, yes. Okay.
Dating
Okay.
220,
So, cardiac arrest,
155,000
next
na
slide,
lang
please.
gravel, oh. Ganda nung gulong na ito, oh.
Sige. One more. Yan. Cardiac arrest is of course, to the lay person, yung inatake means the same. Okay, pero ngayon, mas mabuti that we're able to recognize.
TCG.
So, hindi
Cycling
makapagmaayos,
jersey.
hindi na maayos yung blood.
Check natin to.
Whereas heart attack is a circulation problem. May para.
Tapos sinanay.
So, minsan may biker na diagnose yung heart problem.
Maganda,
And
oh.
eventually, magkita chest pain, pero tinuloy
2,000.
pa rin niya. And then that leads to cardiac arrest. Okay? So, ang
Ito yung mga
cardiac
price
arrest,
nila sa taas, oh.
1.6 na
Anong symptoms? This one. If somebody's in cardiac arrest, gising hindi. Hindi, unconscious, di ba? May pulse, wala. 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 Kasi the heart is quivering, it cannot pump properly, right? So wala siyang effective heart function. Humingi nga, hindi. Hindi na, di ba? So ngayon, kung may hinga, hindi heart, tsaka rest, di ba? Pwedeng heart attack, lalo na kung may chest pain. Okay? So know the
Bike
difference.
plus.
So CPR, we will perform on somebody in heart attack. So how do we know? Hey, are you okay? Di ba? Unresponsive siya. No breathing. Sa lay person, we're not expecting you to do oxygen. Sa trained medical professional, you're expected to know where to take place.
Daming booth.
Sige nga, try
Daming
mo,
booth
hanapin
dito,
mo.
mga ka-gravel, oh.
Carotid fasting.
Bisitahin nyo. Mura lang naman entrance eh. Pag on-site entrance, 150 pesos.
Pero pag ito, chow yung tarso.
Pero the reason why we're late
Ano to? Na racer to. Dito tayo, chow. Oh, mga gravel. Ito mga cyclo-computer, mga ka-gravel. One, two. Kateye. Belo Wireless.
So, mahalaga to because security personnel are also under this contract. Alright, so klaro na to. Different ha. Next slide. So how do we, before we go to the CPR steps itself, you have to understand there's a chain. Saan dapat pauwi yung tao o sa particle? Hospital, tama? Okay, ito. Yung president, how many minutes when the person in cardiac arrest stop breathing, no? How many minutes before nagkakaroon na most likely permanent response? How many minutes of no oxygen? 12, no? 30, no? No? 5? Nakuha ko ng price nila? 5. 146. So keep that in mind, your brain matakot. So if somebody let's say falls on a bike, you assess that for if the person
400. 400 plus lang, mga ka-gravel. 469.
so pag natawag kayo sa ambulance,
Nakulay niyan sir. Wala nang iba.
Pwede pang gravel to. Pwede naman sir, kahit ano yun sir. May less pa to sir. Wala na yung tanong ko sir talaga.
biggest side ay yung
Balikan ko mamaya sir. Balikan ko. Thank you.
Equality. Why? Because what's in front of the heart? May ribs pa, di ba? So there's
May effort pa pagka
Yeah.
ipupush mo siya kasi may ribs pa.
and it's tiring, no? So throughout our volunteer work as medics, siguro totality nakalus rin ako ng mga 10
Ito, imagine, no?
Kasi nga it takes
Isip
a lot of
natin,
effort.
naghahanap ako ng mga
Nakakapagod siya,
cyclo-computer eh.
Okay, so this is where you are important. Yung mga security, dapat ma-recognize so agad, meron yung cardiac arrest. Kayo as a family member, as teammates, no matter how healthy we think yung ka-teammates, pwede mo mangyari, right? Alright, sige, so next slide. Ayan na, so let's go into how do we give high quality CPR.
Ayan, number one.
Kung set lang yan, baka may tendency na nagcardiac arrest muna siya.
Magkano yung ganito, sir?
At the same time, basta fall, nagkaroon na
Touchscreen natin sir.
pumutok yung ulo.
May less pa to, sir?
I agree. Mas maganda na i-stop na lang muna yung case, no? Or
Sagat niya ng price.
Sir, may question?
7.4 from 8.7. Bali parang more or less na ang discount mo
Okay, that's one. Pero syempre, in your environment, tuloy-tuloy yung traffic. So okay na siguro yung routing or barricade, no? Okay, making sure na yung mga kasama can properly tell the
Ganda nun nung ano,
na meron emergency
Imagine
button.
si
Okay,
106.
and the next, Miss
Pag may
Pam.
budget na, bili natin yun.
Responsiveness.
How do we do that? Are you okay? Di ba?
Sa Shopee meron naman eh.
In a loud voice,
Ganda
di ba?
nito.
Eh, sumagot.
Ganda ng gulong.
Responsive, di ba? Responsive. So, by simply asking questions, na-establish mo kung may airway din, right? Kasi kung hindi siya dumudura-dura with blood,
Neo-wise.
alam mo the air can go in. Okay? So, napakahalaga, especially security, no? May tumumba.
Nasa seatbelt ka talaga na.
Tanong niyo yung victim or hindi ka, tanong, are you okay? Para kung sumagot, alam mo, gising. Alam mo may airway. Okay? And the next, so yun ang challenge natin sa Pilipinas kasi
Lento,
hindi
cycling
wide
classes.
available yung AED. Yung AED is a device, mag-try problem. Para mag-shock.
All items na yan, sir.
Okay? Kung wala,
Pag ganito sir,
Number 5.
Yan expensive.
bali magkano lang siya? 2,000, ano siya?
Relax natin siya.
2,295.
expected to check cost. Basta hindi ka
1606.
1,600 na lang.
Pero pag medical
Parang
nurse ka,
napakalaga sir sa 90%.
kasi ngayon, kaya nyo hanapin. Pag panic says in,
Ito siya, naka-paper bag.
tapos ang taas-taas yun ang ilalim mo, right?
Dami oh.
You may find it difficult.
Yan, so bisita kayo dito sa
Dumakot ako dyan eh. Kaya po
Lento
Okay,
cycling
so it's okay,
classes.
for
Naka
layperson,
30% off sila.
Not breathing, unresponsive, not breathing. And then you begin chest compression. Okay? Parang chest compression. Ready to do. Okay, next slide. Ang difficulty kasi is in
Zepal, boot. Ang dami lang bikes din.
There is studies in US na mas mababa ang survival rate. Meron gano'n, pero solid 70s kami ni Artel eh.
Hindi lang po.
Oh, solid 70s, 80s. So meron, but the
80%
point
off po.
is, we do it right. Yun ang point natin eh. I'll show you a video. Sorry. Diba CPR, what are we? Additional air. Ha?
Ma'am, 80% off mo
Ngayon,
lahat.
if you do not want to perform,
Selected.
okay na lang din yun. Just tuloy mo na lang yung CPR until the ambulance arrives. Okay?
Ito 80%
Right?
off.
Pero tumama na kid, huwag nyo na i-mount ha. No.
Kano po dito?
20 pesos.
Give a breath.
20 po.
1 second word.
Magkano daw? 20?
Okay?
20 daw. 20. Magkano po?
Can you do it until
20.
20?
20 lang?
20. Dito po, sale na.
Okay, make sure when you give mouth to mouth that chest pain.
Kuha tayo isa.
What's the first thing you should give breath? Tapos 30.
Sige, dalawa. Dalawa po.
Ano yan? 11?
Lock your elbow.
Thank you.
Into breaths.
Garmin.
Meron ka sa... Okay. Do it properly, form is important. Kasi 2 inches yan, di ba? Okay, lalo yung mga security, dapat di ba? Para you can give breaths without, di ba?
Insta 360.
Pero walang magagawa kung yun is, no? Okay? How does it feel? Nakakapagod talaga. And remember, kung 10 minutes dumating yung ambulance, you do not stop, di ba? Ilang seconds? You do not stop for more than 10. Remember, tayo na lang yung chance na naiikot. Right, so na-feel nyo na, no? So again, this is just a short course.
Mga big shorts, oh.
From IPs, certified instruction.
1,920 na lang.
Cross na dyan, but this is how it is. Okay? Sige, thank you. So, for breathing. You look for chest rise.
Discounted na to sir.
Yes sir, ito yung tunay niyang price.
Parang konti yung
Ayos ah.
mukha mo sa kanya. Then you can feel kung meron air. Walang chest rise. So the person is unresponsive. The
Ganda.
person is not breathing. And then we will perform
9
what?
speed.
Compression. Okay, music please. Sundan nyo lang yung beat ha, 30, compression. So sayang, tuloy nyo lang. Let's get the form right.
9 speed din to.
Sir, yung naka-blue.
Balik ako, sir.
Sige sir.
Thank you. One, two. Lahat to, sir.
Yung itim lang natin, 850.
Ganda, oh.
Okay, head yung chin lift.
Alang kulay gray po.
Pinch the nose, give two breaths, one side. Okay,
Giant bikes.
sige.
Electric yata.
Meron pa or bidding control tayo? Sir, si Sir
Gravel
Solo.
bikes.
Solo, okay, Solo. Teka muna, sir. Safe, check the safety muna of the scene. Tayo muna, sir. So, nag-bike ride kayo. Unfortunately, have the team. And then, check for responsiveness. Buddy, or yung name niya, can you hear me? Are you okay?
Hindi.
Okay, unfortunately, no response. Tawag kayo sa 911, tawag kayo sa LGU. Check for breathing. To be on your knees. Allow the chest to go back. Okay, mag-recoil siya. Okay, stop. Okay, give breath. Set your chin lift. Push the...
Ganda pala ng panahon ngayon, mga
Yung
mag-gravel, oh.
standard pitching.
Puntahan nyo. kasi
Alright,
ano,
sige, so...
Hindi mainit.
Anyway, we have round 2
Ako
dito
liblib
mamaya
lang
if you
siya.
have other questions. But thank you for asking
Maganda
that, no?
pumunta rito pag ganito yung panahon.
What's another injury that can be fatal?
50% off ahon. Oh.
Actually, 2 card na rin. Wala namang sense of time, di ba? We're trying to revise, no? Pero, in your hobby or profession sa pagbabike, security in your profession, ano yung isa sa mabilis?
Ay, Jet, ano, polo.
Massive bleeding.
Yes, sir. Lahat to.
Ano yung sabi natin kanina? Ano yung nasa dugo na importante?
Yan na po yun.
Okay. Marami importante. Maintenance, nutrients, etc. But oxygen kasi. Yun yung mga dangerous bleeding sources.
Yun o, Sir Batman.
Master! Master, good morning.
Yes, sir. Sir Batman.
Wala pa. Good morning, Master.
Thank you.
Salamat
Sir Batman.
Master, good morning.
Wala pa, Sir Ian. Oh.
Wala po, nasa ano pa eh. Salamat.
Nakita siya sa Sagada, hinintay kita dun eh.
Oo, sa ano pa kami? Ay, ayos ko sila.
Sir Noel. Yun, nandito yung ibang Team Apple. Sa sarap mag-bike. Boot.
So ito, tatlo lang kami. The first is apply and hindi na tayo yung mga natin na question. Get a piece of clothing. Pwede ko yung ibo.
Sticker meron. May surplus po. Buy to take one.
How much sticker? 50. Ay, ano pala? Yayara ito mga taga-asawa. Tumatawag asawa nyo. Sige mo, Clay.
Thank you.
Alam, preparation.
Pero kahit pa rin yung ibo, sige na rin So we have to stop the bleeding. So first,
Kumusta, Master?
paano mo sirit talaga? Kaya wait. Tourniquet. So I'll give you an example.
Bigyan pala tayong sticker ni Sir Batman. Oh. Uy, si Batman sticker. Oh.
Tapos,
When do we stop?
So, or artery, which is the taas na pressure, no? Sumisirit talaga yun. Unang-una, I think, yung mga nagre-respond, kakabahan doon. So, when you're afraid,
Yun, so mga ka-gravel, alis na tayo dito sa CCP Open Grounds.
So for what?
Kung saan ginanap yung Philippine
So,
Bicycle
naging
Demo
bicycle
2024 ngayon, ngayong November.
You just go back to
So, paulan na rin
As a
kasi.
member of Intro po,
Ayan.
you have to perform CPR.
So So I think naikot ko na lahat dito. Na-meet ko si Sir Batman, Sir Noel. Yan. Sir Ian wala pa eh. Medyo nagre-recover pa dahil dun sa nangyari sa kanya.
Na talagang matutropa. Lalo na kung kaibigan mo, etc. But, at the end of the day,
Yun, so ang daming ano
you'll be
dito,
more
mga ka-gravel,
at ease
mga
knowing that you
discount.
Ngayon, if you
So
see
ayun,
the
nakabili
person-
ako ng bottle.
Pero,
Water bottle. 20 pesos lang ang isa. So 40 pesos yung dalawa.
So, ako that's okay. Kasi yung
Nag-ride mo na mabog magkano ba?
Yun, so claim ko lang yung bike ko mga
lalo na
ka-gravel.
nalaman mo na there could have been a
Ganda, ang lawak dito.
wala na any
Ito po. Ah. Thank you, sir.
Naka-partner.
Okay na, sir. Thank you. Ride safe. Daming tao sa loob.
Responders.
Salamat sa
Maraming
pagsama
salamat.
dito
Ruel
sa
Capunan.
Philippine Bicycle Demo 2020
Ay, taka lang, may
na ginanap
papakulit
dito sa
kita.
CCP Open Grounds.
Pipili ka lang na.
Bago ka lang sa ating channel ka-gravel, please consider to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated ka na sa mga latest uploads natin. A-follow na rin ang social media accounts na nasa screen. Muli, this is the Gravel Lights. Salamat sa pagsama ulit. Yun lang. Thank you.
Sila po ay nag-partake dito, sumali sa atin para matuto, para matulungan ang tao.